Happy Friday, everybody. It is April 26th, 2024, here at PreciseAlgorithmTrading.com. And this is our weekly wrap up. So let's dive in here. Our automated trading. Our Dow, I think, actually went up a little bit today, all in. No, it didn't. Pretty break even. Yesterday was a good day, though. The Russell just continues to have, that's 11 in a row, I believe, of stop outs. So one of these days that thing's going to snap back. And the NASDAQ ended up having a decent little rally today. We've still got to make a lot back here to get back up to all-time highs. But I'll take it. One nice trade today. Moving into the overall markets. So the S&P 500, everything bounced today. This is, I think, on Google earnings overnight. Let's look at Google real quick. Yeah, that is a nice pop for earnings. I think I want to say something else had good earnings too that I heard about it in the news. It's another FANG stock, so it's not Meta because they're down on earnings. Apple hasn't gone yet. They're coming up here soon. Amazon it did fall, but then that's a relatively bullish candle. So that's interesting, but it still doesn't really change. The new trend is down, or at least it's not up anymore. But they haven't had earnings yet either. It's on the 30th. So that's Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. Is down. We looked at Google. Intel is down. Nvidia. It's another one that actually isn't. It had earnings back here, but the same story. It is not bullish right now. It's somewhere in the middle, unless you're looking at the hourly chart over here. If we flip this to a 4-hour, yeah, same difference. So and Tesla, TSLA, is bouncing potentially. So, and this is, I'm going to say, obviously a counter trend trade, but it does have everything it needs, and just have to manage it accordingly. So, all right. So the actual markets again, the S&P, the S&P was up over 1%. The Dow up 153 points, or 0.4%. Still obviously not bullish on the daily. The Russell is up 1.05%. These are recoveries just from the recent slide. The NASDAQ is up 2%. Same thing. Recoveries from the recent slide. And the transportation index slid a little bit more today. So after a relatively decent rally yesterday, but still not bullish. So the market's going to take some time to get bullish again. It's basically what it looks like to me. That doesn't mean you can't take some short-term trades. Doesn't mean that you can't. There's not opportunity in it. You just have to be more nimble. USO oil here is still in a nice uptrend. Not without volatility, as this fell along with the markets the other day. But nothing changed from our indications of higher prices. So this would be a place where it could roll over and turn into a the trade could end here, but nothing's happened yet. And really, it'll probably start happening on the hourly chart first. Let's look at oil. I'm sorry, gold. Same idea. The commodities are all in that same kind of a area, I believe. Silver, SLV, same thing. So, Bitcoin, or at least this is the Bitcoin ETF strategy, is what it is. So, yeah, this was starting to look like it might perk up some of the cryptocurrency type things, but I think they're all going to roll over and this one's probably going to stop out. So I'm going to watch this one closely. I'll be pulling my stop up on this one to here or here. All right, that's that. Let's move to stockcharts.com and get out of here. The industrials didn't move. The NYA up 0.42%. Transportation index didn't move. NASDAQ up 2.13%. The S&P 500 up 1.19%. The S&P 100 didn't move, and the NASDAQ 100 reversed. This is that reversal I was expecting one of these times, and that's a heck of a reversal at 24.14%. So that's gonna probably be just like it has been. There's gonna be some strength in the underlying FANG type stocks, the ones I just was talking about. There's others, but really those tech stocks, those AI stocks, that type of stuff. So that's what I got. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next week.